I thought I'd do a finger exercise on jumping instead of trembling. I've done a video on trembling, which is probably heard more often in Pontic tunes. That's where you get a continuous up and down movement of the finger. The jump is also heard in Pontic tunes, and it's basically just instead of doing that on a tune, you can add a bit of colour by jumping. So instead of, you will hear, so it's basically coming down forcefully on the finger, but just allowing it to, at the last, as it comes down, just relax the finger and it just jumps. It sort of just jumps once. So it's, and you're not actually, the finger's not coming up and down, but you get that sort of right at the end, you get the sort of just a little bit of a lift on the finger. It's still in contact with the chord, but you'll get that sound. So basically, you can practice this with 4 different variations. First and second finger on the gapan side, touching 2 chords, first and second, and then the same thing on the other side, the zil, again touching both chords with the first and second finger, and playing the 2 chords. So that's where you most likely hear it in a tune. And the exercise you can do is the following. And you can go a bit faster as you go. So that's on the gapan side, and on the other side it's, and you can do different variations with the bow, and you can go fast and slow, but first start slow. So there's just a very subtle, at the end, just lifting of the finger, just relaxing the finger, I should say. And you can do all sorts of... So there's a lot of swiveling you can do later on, which adds a bit more colour. But at the moment, if you just want to do a very basic exercise, if you're a beginner, and then swivel over the other side. And just keep doing that over and over again, and it's just a very subtle, not a tremble, it's a jump. Anyway, I hope that helps some of the newcomers, the beginners, to learn some of the intricacies of the lira playing.